fine lady named Sister Margaret McCaffrey, who was a nun that started Christian services here in Shreveport, which still exists and still does a great job. She got involved in the concern of people who were going to be dislocated by the destruction of the Jackson Housing Project, which was right in the path of the I-49. She protested that route, and because of her prominence and because of the unwillingness of people to push back too hard because she was so highly respected, the federal people said, okay, if you all can't decide locally, we're going to take that piece out of the project and put it on the shelf. And we will start I-49 north from 220 and go to the Arkansas border.